Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. I found out about a nice website where you can access oil production data of companies. So I wanted to show how we find out about the production data. So let's take an example, Prospera Energy. Let's say we take September exit production rate of 710 barrels per day. Okay, so let's go here. We know that this company is both in Alberta and Saskatchewan. Most of the assets are in Saskatchewan. So let's open this one. So then you go to September, that's this, and you download the production data. Okay, and here we can filter on the operator, which is Prospera. And then we take only the oil. They also have gas, but it's mostly oil. Then production. So this is all the data. That's the volume that they produced and the amount of hours. So I don't know why some of them don't have the hours in them, but let's take the maximum amount of hours, which is 720. And then you divide the hours by 24, and then you have the daily, the amount of days in that month. So that's 30 days. And here, for example, you have less days produced. Here it's even less. Not sure about these ones, but let's fill them up with 720. So now we filled them up. Okay, so you have the days, and then the amount of volume per days. Then you have the volume in meters, cubic meters per day. But we need to have the barrels per day. And to go to barrels per day, you do this times 6 point, I think it was 6.2, 6.28. And then you have the barrels per day. So then you take the sum of everything. which will give you the amount of barrels per day for all the wells. And we get 682. 682. And that's, I think, exactly what is given here. Of course, there's also Alberta. For September. So it works. It's almost the same. Let's see what they have in Alberta. Here again, filter on Prospera. And what have we here? Oil. Not a lot, just some production here and some royalties. Let's add them to the other one. Oh, here's another production. Like this. Okay, let's delete this one. We add this and some 720. Well, 720 is exactly that number. So I think we got our number. So that's how you find out about the production. Okay. And today we got good news as well on Prospera. They said that they had peak production levels of 1,250 barrels. So that's higher than the 720. That's about 80% higher. So in the third quarter, they had only 700, and now it's 80% higher. So that's very good news. They are increasing their production. And that's very good. So we continue to invest in this. They also said that operating costs are now lower than 40. So the last time it was at 40 and now it's lower than 40. So that will give more profits. Um, Also important is that they will add another 1000 BOEs for this year. So 1000 plus. So they will probably go to 2000 BOEs for this year. So another double. Very good news. And Shubham is now on board. Um, Also good news because I want this company to be funded because the debts need to be repaid. So this is good news that they get some extra money. Probably already some warrants have been exercised, around 2 million. So that's very good. Also, the CEO is now full-time at the company, which gives us confidence that he believes in this company. Okay, so it looks very good. We'll probably earn about 5 million per year. So it's actually trading at PE of 3 to 5. And by doubling production, it will be trading probably at 2 to 4 PE with enough free cash flow to drill more holes. So let's see what happens. Let's see if they can drill those holes, horizontal wells, and that will increase production and lower the cost even more. So I think the company is doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.